Hello, my name is Lintang Kencana with NPM 2131121. I am a student at the Indonesian Technocrat University. Here I will explain the processor is the main component or can be thought of as the brain of a laptop computer. The processor is located right in the middle of the main board and has an important function for the entire operation of the computer device because all commands are initiated from the processor. Therefore, choosing the best processor to support work using a computer or laptop is very important for user, starting from simple work such as writing, reply to emails, surfing the internet, playing games, and processing graphics. Everything is done with a computer or laptop. Understanding processor CPU Central Processing Unit, also known as processor, is the brain of modern computing device located in the center of the main board, which is responsible for processing commands and carrying out various operations needed to run programs and applications. A good understanding of this component is very important because all activities in the computer are initiated and regulated by the processor. Processor function. In general, the function of the processor is to process incoming commands and then use them in the form of output, namely giving order. Processor functions are: number 1, make sure the computer is working properly. Number 2, execute information processing on a computer. Number 3, give command to each computer component. Number 4, maintain computer performance. Number 5, support computer specific activities. Number 6, process algorithm calculation. Number 7, maintain the stability of computer components. Number 8, supports computer specific needs. Number 9, controlling data flow. Number 10, interpret and carry out instruction. Manage memory processor component. Processor component control unit (CU), controlling traffic and data activities in the computer such as input and output. Activities can be executed without any overlap and carried out regularly. Arithmetical logical unit (ALU), component that perform arithmetic calculation according to the command obeyed the net. Calculations are used to that the computer reads instructions correctly. In this component, the processor actually does important work in a system. Control unit (CU), controlling traffic and data activities in the computer such as input and output. Activities can be executed without any overlap and carried out regularly. Moving data from one memory location to another. Make a decision and jump to another introduction. The processor will likely input command from a keyboard, mouse, or other data input connection to the computer. After that, it translates the command and then forward the output to the related hardware or software. How processor work? Their basic things a processor does are: number one, async allow to perform multimedia operation. Number two, moving data from one memory location to another. Number three, make a decision and jump to another intrusion. The processing will request input command from a keyboard, mouse, or other data input connection to the computer. After that, it translates the command and then forward the output the related hardware or software. Thank you.